Hey guys, so today I'm gonna do a video on beauty related tips. First tip is actually with Vaseline. You put it on your lashes at night before you go to bed, and this will strengthen them, make them look longer, fuller, healthier. You will need to wash your face in the morning, but you can also add Vaseline to make your lashes look more natural. If it's one of those more natural days and you don't want to wear mascara, then you can add Vaseline to that. You can also use Vaseline, probably all of you guys know, to moisture your lips. It works so well. You just add a little and you put it on your lips. Next tip I'm going to give you guys, it's with baby powder. So basically, if you have oily hair and you don't have dry shampoo or things like that, and you do have baby powder, it will make your hair smell so good, but it will also make the grease go away. So you just add a little to your hands and you rub it in. You have to really blend it well because I do have darker hair, so for me it will show a lot more. Just add a little bit and rub it in because you don't want those white spots all over your hair. If you do have darker hair like me, you will need to rub a little bit more, so you just run your finger, but usually the grease is at the roots. So this is a really good tip. I've been using it when I don't have time to wash my hair in the morning, when I'm super busy, I need to go to work. It's just a really good tip when you need it right now and you don't have the time to take a bath or a shower. Now a tip to save you time, because I know time to put on your makeup and you don't know what you're wearing or stuff like that. Instead of going through your drawers or all your makeup, you can basically just buy these little bags or put it in a small box or close to where you know your favorite mascara, your favorite eyeshadow, your favorite blushes. Just put it in a place where you know it's easy access and everything you like is there. That will save you a lot of time. Like, I always take the same mascara. Stuff I know I will always take again. Like, I know I will take tomorrow, I'll put it in that secret place. My last tip is coconut oil, which is really not expensive. I got this full jar for I believe $5, so really not expensive. I use it for my hair, but there are so many different ways of using coconut oil. I just do a mask. So first of all, you don't want to use a good pillowcase. It will make stains, and you want to do it at a night that you know the next morning you can wash your hair, because this will make your hair look super greasy, so you will need to wash your hair, but it will make your hair so soft and so hydrated, feeling amazing. How many use can you get of that? I did maybe 10 masks, and that's the only thing I use. Plus I have really long hair, and I've been testing on coconut oil for removing makeup. I've been testing it for so many different things. It is good for removing makeup, but I do use my makeup wipes before, and then I use the coconut oil, so it only eliminates the makeup that is stuck on my lashes, because I do feel like my mascara is really hard to remove, so it is good for that. This is going to be all for my tips, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any other tips, I will be really happy to hear about them. So leave them in the comments below and I will be checking them out. So thanks for watching. Bye.